Move forward to the next speaker, who's a Universal Crown Director, a mompreneur, Sri Devi Pasiji from the city of Mumbai. Over to you, ma'am, and welcome on the e-dais of the International Leadership Summit. Welcome, ma'am.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Shri sir, for the privilege to serve a winning team. Really, it's a great feeling for me. First of all, let me introduce myself. I'm from Mumbai, as born and brought up in Mumbai only. Actually, we can say it's a charm city. People get attracted a lot. So I born and brought up here only. I did my schooling. Then I did job here only. I did job for corporate. I think for 5 years for different banking industries, for broking industry also as an auditor. Then after that, I understood there is a good income in business. So I started my own business. I owned my own business, manufacturing business for 2 years. And let's talk about Vestige. How I came into Vestige, because it was not my dream to involve in the network marketing industry at all. But I can say the situation has become like that. I have to introduce myself here because this business was started by my husband. Okay, he was building in part time. When he was building in part time, I was just completely in comfortable zone. Means I was completely dependent upon his income. Okay, though I was having very good income from my business, but I said I don't want to involve myself in network marketing industry. I was in such a complete comfortable situation where dream was what I was actually was not worrying. I was not taking care of anything. I was that much comfortable. But some accidentally has happened, which is completely turned my life 360. I must say it was very big loss for me. It was very hurting situation for me, from where most of the people can't able to understand back. Okay, but I decided no, I have to do something extra. As sir introduced me, I'm a very good daughter-in-law also, because I was having very good I was having very big responsibility on me, which I have to be taken care after my husband. I lost him, okay, in the year 2017, and I was helpless. Yes, I was completely helpless because no one was standing with me. No one was able to ask me how you are going to stand again, how you are going to run your family again, because there were lot of dues, financial dues was there, so many liabilities were there. But I said no, I have to take a stand. I have to take place of my husband. Then it was an opportunity, network marketing industry, and it was nothing else. That is only Vestige. Okay, so I independently started Vestige 3.5 years back with the help of winning team. So really, it is blessing for me. I'm a part of winning team. Thank you so much, Bharil sir and family. Thank you so much, winning team leaders. That because of you people, because of your support, I'm able to stand again. So this is called security of business. Because if my husband didn't start it earlier, I think I was not left with any option. I had to work for again some job. Then I had to again start some business by putting some investment money. But I said no, there is no security, because I saw only one thing. I saw that when I lost him, I was continuously getting income from Vestige in his account. And it was very attracting part for me, because he was working as an he was working as an executive engineer for his company. It was MNC company. But then also after losing him, no, not even a single money came after him. But Vestige was continuously paying me. So this is called security. That's why I started. That's why I decided to continue Vestige. Though I was not knew much about how exactly business runs, but I'm really blessed. Again, I'll say thanks to winning team. The system was there, as just now Anup sir said, what is the power of system? Anybody can start from anywhere. It doesn't matter whether you are lady, it doesn't matter whether you are educated, whether you're a student, it doesn't matter. If you have learning potential, you can start from anywhere, anytime. Okay, and that's the journey from where I started. And let me tell you, it has lot more things. And especially let me talk about for especially ladies. There is so many things. I have one slide which I want to share with you. Why ladies should take Vestige as with winning team as a career. there are a lot of things. Let me share my screen through which you'll understand it has immense power. If gents are there, definitely I'll request you, you must involve your family, you must involve your ladies in this business, because people are actually really making very good secured based source of income. Okay, so Vestige with winning team for women, you should understand it very seriously. It is a platform where actually ladies are able to create a secure source of income. Okay, how? Why women should be financially independent, secured source of income, why it should be there, right? There are many reasons, and one by one I'm going to cover, because each and every point is very important for women and for men also. But why I'm taking part as a favor of women? Because you know what happens, women has lot of potential during school time. Most of the ladies give their die-hard attention for studies, but after marriage, for kids' responsibility, for their responsibility, they have to give up their career also. But there are some ladies, those who have to travel across the country, they have to work outstation also, they have to leave their family, but they don't get as what they deserve, right? As we heard first leader Leela ma'am. Okay, so why we need to work on this industry, why we need to work on this platform, especially in Vestige with winning team, for getting extra source of income, for getting extra income. Extra income matters a lot. For example, if you're working in international company, right? If your family is earning extra income, they are able to support you. They are able to pay bills. They are able to pay EMIs also. That's what you should involve your family. It's a family business. It's not a single person business. It's a complete family business. I'm working with my in-laws and my 6-year-old son. It's a family business. I'm very much secured over here, right? So extra income, actually it matters a lot for everyone. Second, for getting your own identity. You know what happened with ladies before marriage? Usually means what happens, we carry our father's name. Okay, if my name is Sridevi Pasi, so my father's name comes in between. After marriage, husband's name comes after on father's name. But once we become mother, our own identity, I don't know where it get lost. You know, people just identify, people just call by your kid's name. So most of the time, ladies lose their identity. For getting back your identity, you should do network marketing industry. You know, you can make your own identity not only in India, you can make your presence globally, because you all leaders are working globally, right? So this is a very beautiful platform. You can start from anywhere and you can make your presence internationally also. Okay. Then third thing, for improving financial status, this is very important part. Financial status, you know, nowadays financial status, it's like getting respect. Okay, if your family, if your wife, if your sister, if your mother, if they're earning extra source of income, they're getting extra income, you are able to improve your financial status, right? People are just dying to improve. People are just working like anything to improve their financial status, right? So if you're getting extra income through your family, ladies, you can improve your financial status. You can stand yourself. You can make yourself from zero to anywhere. Okay. For next generation, this is very important point, and I'm very much attracted with this point. You know, you must have heard about one story from our great mentor Bharil sir. He usually say, if you send your kids out of India for work or for study, if they get studies over there, if they get married over there, and if they get married over there, and if they stay back over there, then what will happen about you, right? You won't be able to live with them for lifetime. There won't be any choice, right? For getting choice to live with them for the lifetime, you have to create a source of income which you can provide them. They don't have to start from the zero. Okay? You can live with your family forever, right? Because nowadays, if whatever the profession you are in, there is no surety that your kids are going to involve in that same profession. No, there is no surety. Even they have to start from zero. But if you have already created a secure source of income, if you have already created a source of income, you can gift them. They don't have to start it from zero. Okay. Then fifth point, you to use time constructively. See, let me tell you, each and every person knows that ladies has immense power. Ladies has ultimate power. They can explore their self in each and every field, right? But most of the time, due to lack of information, due to lack of support, due to lack of, we can say they don't have any idea what to do. We can guide them, we can provide such a platform where they can use their time very constructively. They can explore their self, they can explore their skill also. And by using their skill, they are going to support you. In fact, all the ladies who are listening me here, you can use your time very constructively. You have immense power. God has made different creature. Okay. 6th point, for appreciation. This is one of the part which likes everybody, whether it is men or women. Everybody wants to get appreciated, right? Once you'll start supporting your family financially, okay, once you'll support them to improve your financial status, you will get automatically appreciation, which I'm experiencing now. I was nothing. I was simply just working for some company. I was not getting any appreciation. Though I was working, sometimes I get a project complete on before time, so definitely I get some appreciation, but not more than that. That was part of my job. Appreciation means you are getting extra love, you are getting extra care, you are just complimented by everyone, right? I think for appreciation, we should work on this industry. 7th one, this is very, very, very important. That is called, you can secure your family's future. If you are whole and soul, the main source of, the main earner of your family, if something has happened to your profession or to you physically, anything, what is surety? Who are going to help your family after who are going to help your family after you, right? So here we can create a secure source of income. Again, this is my personal experience, which I'm really experiencing, because I really felt that once you are helpless, if somebody is not there who were your whole your bread and butter, nobody is going to help you out, right? Nobody going to stand with you. So you can secure your family through this platform. And last but not the least, you can save your sweetness. See, each and everyone has a very good quality, right? Due to some responsibility, due to many tensions, we just start losing our glory. So we can save our ultimate happiness through this platform. You know, I have a very bad experience when I was started Vestige, but nowadays I really feeling different. I have very different experience. I'm getting a lot of appreciation, and I'm getting a lot of things from this industry, from this platform, especially with Winning Team platform. You know, I was zero, completely zero, like this. But today, I'm a strong mother. I'm a strong leader. I'm a strong lady. I can lead people. I can speak in front of you all. Otherwise, I was in a position where I won't be able to speak in front of not even more than 2 people. I was shivering like anything. But confidently, I'm talking with you all. Right? I am independent. I was completely very introvert girl. I don't want to make friends. But today, I'm just working on social media, getting different people from different countries. I have business in Dubai. I have people in Ghana also, right? So this is the power which I got from Vestige and Winning Team. So that's why I will tell you all, you should start it seriously. Follow your dreams. Follow your upline. Just follow the system, because we are really blessed. No one is going to get Vestige and Winning Team combination, right? You need to just dedicate your 2 to 3 years seriously. You have to learn, because unless if you won't learn, you are not going to teach others. So we have to become a learner, because as I said, I was completely zero. I was not knowing about the business. I learned it. system is completely engineered. Okay, everything is already made over there, but we have to just follow. That's it. And everything is going to come with you, going to come to you. You need to just be humble, be serving nature, and it's my privilege to serve a winning team family. Really, I'm so much happy, and thank you so much once again, Shri sir, for inviting me here and to speak these people.